I almost said yes to a client that would cost me more than I would make. Meaning, this one client phoned me and they asked, can I help them with this service? And it's not a service I do anymore. I did it when I started out. I had a lot of different services, and then I told myself I'm cutting off most of the services. I'm having one service, focusing on one service, get my systems 100% so that I can deliver this service effectively and efficiently. And then this client phoned me, can I help them with another service that's not SEO? And the money was good, so I said, okay, I can help you. I'll send you a quote. And this morning, as I'm drafting the quote, I'm sitting here and just thinking, yes, this money, it's going to be good for now, but it's just going to mess up my whole system. I'm not going to be as effective as effective with delivering the service because my business isn't optimized and I don't have connections to get the things done. And so I told them that's not the best, but I went back and said I can't deliver the service. I can't do it. Sorry. But yeah, almost messed up, almost looked at the temporary gain instead of the advantage or the disadvantage. So anyway, just almost messed up. But like Alex Hormozi say, choose one product, sell it until you make a lot of money, then you can diversify. Almost messed up, but I didn't.